Alright guys, the charger is on. Came up, over, stapled up, going across this whole entire bay. Cut across this pocket, went up and over under to get access to this soffit. I had to put an access panel here to pull all the cable. Well, I fed the cable this way, going that way, and then I fed the cable from here, going that way. I went throughout this whole entire soffit right here. That's it right there. Came over, across, and went out right over there. That's the back of that wall in the basement. In the boiler room, came straight through, punched into the garage, put an LB, and there you have it. Charger's installed and working.